Hello everyone and very good morning. So today we'll talk about the e-Rakt Kosh. Now, e-Rakt Kosh is a centralized blood bank system that is being developed under the National Health Mission, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So we can get the information over the nearby blood centers and what is the stock that is available of which blood group and in which state and in which district. So that is so much of useful. सो वी कैन यूज़ दैट थ्रू द गूगल प्ले स्टोर. एक ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. दूसरा थ्रू द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट दैट इज़ eractkosh.moh.fw.gov.in. Now, coming to the key features, now one is the, I've already told you that is real time blood availability information and the data we get from the e-Rakt Kosh. Another is the donor services to register donor or to track a donor or the history. Now coming to the another key feature is the blood bank directory, that is the nearby blood centers we can locate and see their contact details along with the blood donation camps, that is information on the upcoming blood donation camps in the various regions. And next point is that inventory management, that is we can help blood bank to update the inventories and to ensure the quality control if we suspect that. Now the basic 2 points of this e-Rakt Kosh is to know the availability of the blood, and another is to register a donor. This is the top notch use of the e-Rakt Kosh. Now coming to the mobile app that we use, downloading through the App Store or through the Google Play Store, is to search for the nearby blood centers based on our current location and know the details of the blood centers, including the directions or the informations, or register a blood donor or to manage the donation history. So that is the key features of the mobile app, and it is a thing that the e-Rakt Kosh is being managed by the Ministry of Health throughout the India. So it has the integration with the state health departments as well to ensure the real time availability of the blood. Okay, so that is a great of you. So if you do not know that the blood type that you need, so you can easily get the information from where you can get and what is the location, or you can contact easily through the app or through the site. So I guess that was quite useful thing for the normal people. मेरे को पता है कि ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं पता ये चीज़, but I guess you will use it now. So all the best. Bye.